Greetings to one and all present here. I, Abhijit from class 11, am privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this splendid moment. Art is the expression or application of human creative skills and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, primarily for their beauty or emotional power. Art is as natural as sunshine and as vital as nourishment. On the behalf of the entire Gilco International family, I would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries, participating teams, and all the blooming buds to the fourth edition of Use Art Fiesta. This is for the first time that it would be held virtual. I would like to introduce to you my co-host for the day, Ashna Rahi of Class 12.
Thank you, Abhijit. The true achievement of this program is the exchange of ideas and establishment of new relationships and friendships that paint our life's canvas with a variety of colors. It also provides a platform to identify talent within and outside of school. A picture speaks a thousand words. Keeping this in mind, our school has organized today's Inter-School Online Art Fiesta and also provided a creative outlet. With the heart full of love, we are truly happy with your presence.
Indeed, true, Ashna. Light is considered as a symbol of auspiciousness, prosperity, and abundance. Light brings brightness with it and dispels the darkness. We will now have a virtual lamp lighting ceremony.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
As all things auspicious, we have lit the lamp. Prayer is an action. It is a pure, magical, and beautiful connection with the divine, the supreme power. It is a process of talking to God with energy in order to achieve a purpose. I invite the choir group led by our music teachers, Mr. Eddie and Mr. Ashish, for the prayer. Hey Shardima.
अपनी शरण में हमें डाल लो माँ
take this opportunity to introduce to the gathering our renowned judges for the Art Fiesta. We are fortunate to have with us Ms. Shoma as our first judge for the Art Fiesta. She is an international artist. She has done her degree in fine arts from Sarab Bharatiya Sangeet and Kala Parishad, Kolkata. She has exhibited her paintings in national and international galleries. At present, she is working as a freelance artist and running an institute in Tri-City from the last 7 years. She is also taking workshops in different colleges and institutes. She has numerous achievements in the field of art. She has been awarded by Guwahati University and Government College Mohali and many galleries.
Our second judge is Ms. Shivani Grewal. She has studied Bachelor of Arts from Government College for Women, Punjab University. She has worked at Hindustan Times and Times of India. Presently, she is working as Director Corporate Communications, Chitkara University. Her works have been exhibited in several shows in various Indian cities and state exhibitions. The award to her credit include national and state award winners, National Lalit Kala Academy, and various others. Her works are in prominent private collections across the world.
Thank you so much for consenting to be the judges at this Fiesta of Creativity. Now, I invite our worthy principal ma'am to say a few words of motivation to all the participants of Hugh's Art Fiesta 4th edition.
A very good morning to all present here. At the outset, I welcome you all to this 4th edition of the Inter-School Art Competition, Hugh's Art Fiesta, which is being hosted by Gilco International School, Mohali. Warm welcome to one and all. Art is a wonderful medium through which one can communicate, and a medium through which one can explore and express one's emotions. A single picture can speak 1,000 words. It has aptly been said. In fact, art is everywhere around us. Can you actually imagine a world without art? I'm sure you cannot. Sure, the earth has many beautiful wonders, and Mother Nature produces some stunning artwork. But there is something beautiful about the individuality and creativity of human minds, which is why we have been blessed by some wonderful art geniuses such as Van Gogh, Da Vinci, M.F. Hussain, to name just a few. And we, as schools, as educators, must continue to encourage and cultivate creativity in our communities, in our students. Hence, this modest attempt to provide you all a platform to paint your imagination through Hugh's Art Fiesta. I thank the principals, teachers, and parents of the participating schools and students for encouraging their youngsters to take part in Hugh's. A very special thanks goes out to our judges, Ms. Shoma Das and Ms. Shivani Grewal, who will be judging our art entries. With that, I extend my best wishes to each and every participant of Hugh's Art Fiesta, and I encourage you all to let your creativity, your innovativeness shine all the way through. Good luck. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement. They not only instill confidence in us, but also motivates us to give our creative best in this event.
This carnival suggests possibilities, opportunities, creativity, and the colorfulness of these budding artists. Today, you all have got a chance to express yourself in the best spirit of friendly competitiveness. It is time to enjoy the splash of immense talent on this huge canvas that is spread out for you.
Friends, you're already aware about the rules, but let me give a brief introduction of the same. For classes 1 and 2, the topics are my favorite cartoon character or my dream world. For classes 3 to 6, the topics are Song of the River or Exploring the Universe or Endangered Species. For classes 7 to 10, the topics are Indian art forms, that is Madhubani, Worldly art, Mandala, or The Charm of Railways or the beauty of humanity in times of corona.
The participants will have 2 hours for the completion of the artwork. The images should be clear. The students will click the images of the artwork and email the soft copy of the image on artandcraft.gilco@gmail.com latest by 12 noon, or WhatsApp the same to Ms. Rasleen Sandhu. Extra time will be allotted. The name of the student, class, and section, along with the name of the school, should be clearly mentioned while submitting the images.
The participating schools will have to submit the hard copy of the painting prepared during the competition in an envelope at the school's front desk to Ma'am Neeraj, latest by Tuesday, 3rd August 2021, between 8:45 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Failure to submit the hard copy will result in disqualification of the participant. The entries will be judged on the basis of concept, creativity, and composition. In each group, first, second, and third consolation prizes will be awarded to the outstanding artists. Decision of panel of judges will be final. Result would be declared on 4th August 2021. The same would be available on school's website www.gilcoschool.com.
Good events never end in the world. They take only a pause and keep us awaiting for the next. We will now see a video of our school song.
At the foothills of the mountains, our school of morals and wisdom stands. With confidence and compassion, we spread harmony through our land. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. Honor, integrity, and service is a song. Is a song. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. Gilgonians always for the world as one. For the world as one. Gilgo International is a school. Here love and knowledge resides. Let's stand together and sing aloud and walk with Gilgonian pride. And walk with Gilgonian pride. And walk with Gilgonian pride. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. Honor, integrity, and service is a song. Is a song. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. Gilgonians always for the world as one. For the world as one.
I thank you all for your willingness and involvement for making today's event successful.
You all have 2 hours to complete your artwork. That is from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. You can sign out now. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you for being with us.